In this video, I'll guide you through the process of changing your email address in Binance. If you're looking to update your email on Binance, follow these simple steps and you'll be all set. First, open the Binance app and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you've opened the app, you'll land on the home screen. To change your email address, you'll need to go to the security settings. Tap on the profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Next, you'll be taken to a new interface where you'll see several options. At the top, you'll find Account. Tap on it to proceed. This will bring you to the Account Center, where you'll find various options, including VIP privilege, verification, security, and Twitter. Tap on Security. Now, in the Security section, you'll see different security options, including two-factor authentication, passkeys, authenticator, email, password, and more. Tap on the Email option. You'll now be directed to a screen where you can see the email currently associated with your Binance account. Right next to it, there's an Edit icon. Tap on it. You'll see a message explaining that after changing your email, withdrawals and P2P transactions will be disabled for 24 hours to protect your assets. Additionally, the old email address cannot be reused for registration for 30 days. If you agree with these terms, tap Continue. Now you'll be taken to the page where you can update your email address. Enter the new email address you want to use. After entering the new email, tap the Get Code button. A verification code will be sent to the new email address. Go to your email inbox, e.g. Gmail, and you'll find an email from Binance. Open it, and you'll see the verification code inside. Once you have the code, return to the Binance app and enter the verification code. After entering the code, tap Submit. Your email address will now be successfully updated. Simply tap OK, and you're done. That's how you change your email address on Binance. I hope this helps. If it did, consider subscribing my channel. It really supports me. Thanks for watching.